Now let's talk about how to diagnose a dryer that's not working. Nobody wants wet clothes lying around. That's why it's so frustrating when your dryer stops working. In this video, we're going to show you how to diagnose the most common reasons why your dryer might not be working. One of the most common problems is that your dryer won't turn on. When that happens, here's what you need to do. Step 1. First, try to see if any lights come on the display or if it's completely dark. This could help you diagnose the problem later. You can also try resetting your circuit breakers for the dryer. Step 2. Try running a few different types of drying cycles. If that doesn't work, move to step 3. If there are no lights and none of the cycles will start at all, then you may need a new control board. It's also possible that the ribbon cable has gotten disconnected from the control board. You can open the machine to take a look inside or call a professional to get the machine serviced. Another of the most common problems is that your dryer won't turn off. When that happens, here's what you need to do. Step 1. First, open the door to find out if the dryer stops when it's opened. If the machine stops once the door is open, try closing the door again to see if the dryer starts going. Step 2. If the dryer starts going each time you close the door, then you probably need a new push to start switch. We recommend hiring a professional to replace this part.